Lieutenant Bird.
Now we start recording, now we Central C, now we Fat Fox, now we DeVito, you know, now we go up. Now we go up. They call me Project OGs. Still in the streets, so I know no labels trying to run games. Still got carried by the fence, still got carried by the guy. Tap on the trigger, nigga, into the fucking clip. He got started deep down.
Did more drugs than me, you must be hallucinating. Smoking out a boat, got plenty more trap, never slow. That chop, he taste on 8. Boot up, we up for days. Trappin' making boys, callin' Milwaukee. Everybody been broke. A nigga that went through the phase. Said dope, the only two way get paid. Perkins and scribbles in the club, yeah, me and my niggas. I don't need no nigga take pictures. Nigga, even my cameraman talking pills. So did that Perkins and scribble shit. Nigga scribble, bitch. Yeah, that hoe look fine, but she on her did and shit. Her down some kid shit.
I won't tell on the brother. I'm the only one out there. What are the team trying to do me? Man, I'm like a movie, get hit in the water. Cause I put in the work at the water.
WORLDSTAR front and back, man. You heard it. WORLDSTAR King collab, man. Come get your merch, man. Yeah, I tell him WORLDSTAR. Tell him, look at this. What we doing out here?
Head top, we gon' do all 9 miles. We gon' do this day alone. We know it's good. We know it's
like that.
The
biggest DJ.
Put the move on a nigga for a little more hard.
Real working the wheel, a pimp, not a simp. Keep the dope fiends higher than the Goodyear blimp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine poisoning. Fuck niggas make me sick with all that pigeon and bargaining. You say that you were false, I ain't believing that shit. You got the front of Geneva watch with the Ferrari kit. Take that monkey shit off. You niggas all at the mouth, my niggas all at the end. And fuck that shrimp half a nigga, they caught on that and she cool with it. She fucked up, still her egg, and Draco some more juice. And just when you thought she was freaking, she done got super loose. Niggas coming by streets and use all in circles like nothing. Who's all in rolling, you folded, she on that, and the truth is $40. So just one out of the right here, now niggas sipping and dissing and tripping, man.
Hey, what he was saying basically, like, don't do no burnouts, no slide right now. Right now we just chilling. Everything else smooth, we good, everybody straight. When everybody leave, we can't control it. Y'all do whatever y'all want. But right now, everybody just chill out right now. Everybody just need to, you know what I'm saying? Just pop y'all shit, show you whip off. Everything else gonna come.
Okay, well I'ma keep on rocking. Got your main bitch in my pocket. Ship them, then I shop them. Heavy traffic up for auction. That's your hoe, your man just bought it. Nigga, that ain't my business. Keep it low, don't need no witness. Got my track, ain't talking fitness. Got more hoes than fucking clips. She gon' rap my fucking beer. Hey, bitch's dick ain't regular. I regulate the shit. Bitch, I just woke up. I check my clock. It's time to pimp. Bitch, I hustle hard. I hustle broad, but I make my ends. You ain't my king. Hey, what's up with your friend? With your friend, bring it to the scene. Put her head on spin. Randy Moss swag. Yo, bitch, up for grabs. Draw my top. Hold these hit paper tag. Paper tag. Paper bag. Paper bag. Paper bag. Stacking more dough, nigga. We don't brag. We don't brag. Paper bag. Paper bag. Paper bag. See my jeans, Louis V, left side. Paper bag. Paper bag. Paper bag. Stacking more dough, nigga. We don't brag. Paper bag. Paper bag. Paper bag. That's your old niggas. Yeah. 30 racks is for shit, out to Dubai, no lie, them niggas tip. Them niggas she's let freaks, just make sure I get commission, my commission. Heavy traffic in this whole gorilla pimp.
Break it up, yeah, made myself a boss,
I got a house on my arm. Down to made 212 of these. They call it the chandelier AP. Who I am, who I be.
All of my niggas chase shit. You can get wet, you play with that. All of my niggas toast that. Like rubber band, you can get.
I don't know what to call it. She call my phone like she my main bitch. I don't know what to call it. Leave from when you was gonna pull up on me. I don't know what to call it. Moving forward, we do our opposite on.
Numbers got them bleeds and they screaming, they don't need show. All they fly strings in the sky, we don't need.
Niggas pussy cat straight. Can't have baby, I'm a player and my daddy was a man.
Motherfucking fake. Number 3 with JR Ski. JR Ski. I said it.
Hey, I'm right back on their ass, yo. They done make me mad, I've been keeping calm, constantly keep making cash, yo. I've been getting bag after bag, yo. Presidential shit, I rap my Maybach mad black, yo. Call me Mr. Baby, you can get no ass. On the go y'all backpack. When you pick it up, put the bitch remembers.
Shoot to kill. I still got gunpowder on me, I'm fresh off a drill. Don't know about other rappers, me and 30 spin for real. Besides for president, I need my own dollar bill. Man, why am I still slime? I supposed to be in the hill. ESRT get the slime, I control it, I'm having skill. Probably bodies ain't nothing that we do. Retaliation on the slide for me.
I just got to playing with this shit, man. Back in the year, man. I put my jewelry on, man. I left my jewelry on. Nigga, put my jewelry on. Man, DWMLA official page, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything verified. You know, we don't buy blue checks, man. And we got blue checks for real. Verified in the street.
On the hole with the shows in your ass. Then you got blue beats falling out your glass. Old man don't want you in the club. When you pussy poppin', start fights in the club. You come through when you're in the hall. Bitches all in your body, know you a star. You come with 4 or 5 hoes. Down to fight anything straight out the door. They say you acting kinda funny.
Hey, whole lot of 901 shit, man. Hey, this how we rockin', man. This how we rockin', man. You heard me? This how we doing it, bro. Real shit. This how we rockin', bro.
I'm so glad I got my own. I ain't worried about Josephine.
Parties on the brook behind who? I come switch up on my nigga, I started crippin'. I just want drinking bottles. They said the demon trippin'. No cow. What's up, man? Nate, what's up, Nate? What's going on? Okay, but that's like saying I could look like you with no hat.
Okay, so get away from here. I'm gonna lock you up for disorderly conduct.
Just mind your business. You record, just mind your business, sir.
Go back over there.
Alright, look.
So he got on a, so tell you again.
He got on a hat and a hoodie that look like you, so he don't look like a suspect too?
Yeah, he looks just like you. Get back on the curb.
Bro, this is all public property.
Get back on the curb. That's a lawful order. And a lawful order will get you in jail.
Is that right?
5 minutes later.
You ain't even been to the city before. Hey, you ain't even been to the city. You ain't even been to the city before. Nigga came once, but he can't come back.